What's going on, YouTube family, man? Back with another video. Finally, we're gonna get some content on the Cts-V. It's finally time to mod this thing, so here it is. It's been parked up since probably the 4th of July. I haven't really driven it. It's been dusty. I just took it off the car cover, but checking all the fluids and stuff, making sure everything's good. But we got some Cts-V parts coming in, some speed engineering headers coming in. I actually ordered the Cleetus Mcfarland Bald Eagle boosted cam for this. Texas Speed Engineering headers, valves, springs, retainers. We're gonna do the whole top end. We already have, I believe we have a pulley. We got the air raid intake, exhaust. So she'll be making some good power, and I'm ready to hear that sound. I know you guys are ready to hear some cam out of this thing. And fortunately, the cam that I ordered, I have yet to see it in any V or any Cts-V. I've heard the NA cam in the Camaro SS, but that's it. I don't think I've heard that cam in anything else, so that'll probably be the first car with it in it. It's the same cam that's in Leroy, in Cleetus Mcfarland's Leroy car, and the same cam that's in their red C6 Corvette, that auction Corvette. And I think they have it in that black Cts-V too that Cooper has, if you guys watch Cleetus Mcfarland. But here's the V. I know y'all probably want to see more of the car. I haven't really posted too much. Been trying to source some parts, get the parts going on, but she's about to get loud, get rowdy, get some more power. Finally put the Mickey Thompson to use. So right now I'm probably gonna wash it, clean it up. I still need to go talk to my guy Juan. I was gonna do it today, but I think it might be a little bit too late. Need to go talk to him, and basically he's the one that put the cam in my Camaro, my black one from a previous video. So we're gonna talk to him, make sure we get all the right parts, the gaskets. Make sure y'all stay tuned, and then we'll probably talk to Juan here in a second. Parts are finally in. Time to get the V some more power. I wanted to show you guys what came in. I literally just sliced open the box for this one. I have another box right there, and then there's another small box over here. So let me go ahead and show you guys what I got, and then let's get to it. Alright, so first off, we have the Cleetus Mcfarland Bald Eagle boosted cam right here from Cts-V Performance. Brand new in the box. We got a brand new valve and spring kit. What else we got in here? There we go. Pretty much the whole cam kit is here. Let's check out how the cam looks. Ooh-wee. So here's the specs on the cam. If anybody wants to know the specs. Bald Eagle, supercharged cam. Let's see if we got any words on the end of it. Yeah, we got the Bald Eagle right there, and then we got a big Bald Eagle on the end of the cam. You guys can see that. I don't want to open it yet until I get to the shop, so, but that cam is pretty huge. As far as the cam, we got LS7 lifters right here. And then we got something in this big box right here. Let me open. Alright guys, so just open up the last box. From Speed Engineering, man. The best budget headers for the V. Brand new set of long tube headers. Ooh. These things are beautiful. Welds are great. Everything. Just wanted to show you guys the quick parts how they came in. Let's see. Man, look at those welds. Welds are good, so time to take it to the shop. Check out everything else, make sure we got everything. I think I gotta go pick up some gaskets, some new spark plugs, a couple more things, maybe some fluids and shit like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and put these in the car, then I'll catch you guys when I get to the shop. I don't know if you guys wanted to see these, but these are the LS7 lifters, all oiled up, ready to go, brand new in the pack. So these are getting installed. Keep the lifter noise away. Basically, whenever I do a cam in, I like to replace everything in the top end, springs, everything like that. So the V is about to make some power. So let's go to the shop once again, and then catch you guys when we get there. The V is so dirty, guys. It rained on me, my car cover flew off, fucking got water stains everywhere. So, but it's about to be in the shop for about a good week. Gonna be messing with it. I'm planning on taking the valve covers off and the supercharger top end and painting it. So let me know some recommendations, some colors that you guys think that I should paint the valve covers and stuff, like I did on my Camaro. If you guys watched it, I did a candy purple. So let me know some color recommendations, but right now it's time to head out. All right guys, we arrived at the shop with my boy Juan. Got all the parts sitting right here. I'm gonna show you his Camaro Z28. If you guys have been following my channel, whenever I got my Camaro done, I think he had just got that car around the time that I was camming my Camaro. That is a Z28, fully built. He cammed it out. Now he put a Magnuson supercharger on it, so we're gonna give you an update on that one. And his brother's Camaro is a almost damn near fully built drag car with a turbo on it. I think that one's down for right now, but I'm definitely gonna show you guys his Camaro and get you guys to look at his Camaro and check it out. Dang, looks right at home, bro.
Oh man, I gotta get little things. I gotta get that the reservoir on there. You know, I think it's freaking huge.
Yeah, that's a big pulley.
Yeah, that's a big pulley. And little things.
Magnitude server. You need to start it, bro. So you need to start it so I get your... Get this start up. Sound good. Sounding good, man. Hopefully my V cam sounds like that, because that sounds fucking hella good. Got the headers. I don't know if you guys can see it. Just trying to get a smaller pulley. Sound good, huh? Hopefully mine sounds that good when it gets done. Sounding great. Got the turbo Camaro. Ooh, motor's out of it completely. So I'm guessing they're doing a rebuild for the block, because I think the block messed up, or the head messed up. So, but yeah, this one had a big custom turbo kit on it. So there's the Z28. The V is over there. Time to get started on that one. I don't know if I showed you guys the springs and stuff, but here's the new dual valve springs. Got everything pretty much in the kit. Everything's needed. I just like to keep everything in the box pretty much until take it out to get started. These, of course, we got some TSP, Texas Speed stickers, and ooh, got a Texas Speed keychain. So I didn't even, they just started giving these, I'm guessing, because last time on my cam kit I didn't get this. And of course, you know, got the Texas Speed business card. So ah, damn. Got the little Mazda truck zooming. And then here's another look at the long tube headers, in case you guys didn't get to see it. Oh, in case you guys didn't get to see it. It's a better look at them. So now we can make some power, and of course I'm worried about the sound. I want this thing to be chopping like the Z28 over there, so hopefully we'll sound that good. It's a V, so we should get, especially with the long tubes, it'll open it up a little bit more. We already got the rest of the exhaust back with the 5-inch tips. My whole fucking knuckle is in there with space. But yeah. Alright guys, the V is here. I'm hungry as fuck, so I'm gonna walk and get me some chicken or some fish. I have to wait on my friend to come pick me up because I don't have a ride now, so I drop my Cts-V off here at the shop, and then I'll be back here probably maybe tomorrow sometime, get everything taken off. They're pretty busy up here right now with some other stuff, so I'll be back here and then we'll get everything taken off, get ready to get it painted and shit like that. So once they get started, then we'll be ready, man. The V's gonna be making some power. I also want to figure out how to get it towed up there. I need to get the car towed. I can probably drive it, but I don't want it to be hot by the time I get there, because I want to try to make as much power as possible. And I prefer it to be cold when it comes off the trailer. Pretty much that's it, man. Gotta wait on my guy Keys to come pick me up. So I'm waiting on him. He just woke up at fucking damn near 3 in the afternoon. He's just now waking up. Stupid. So I'm here about to get me some damn chicken and seafood, and then catch you guys later.